Nia, Uncle, what is Sumbang Dua Ballet? Unisari, the 12 Minangkabau guidelines for girls to be graceful. Younger sister, why is it important? Unisari, maintaining dignity, so that you become a respected Bundo Kanduang. Nia, if you break them, you'll be embarrassed. Right, Unisari, embarrassment for yourself and your family. Younger sister, what are the points? Unisari, Sumbang Dua, Taga, Bajalan, Kato, Nia, is about attitude and speech. Unisari, right, dan Calia, makan, pakai, karaju. Younger sister, is it about perspective, etiquette for eating, dressing, and working? Unisari, exactly. Lastly, Bagawa, Tanyo, Jawe, Purna, Nia, society, asking, answering, and the behavior. Unisari, all of these are the guidelines for becoming a noble person. Younger sister, wow, that's cool. Uni, you understand now.